In this guide, I'm going to show you how to log in to Snapchat without a verification code. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you do need to do is actually back out of Snapchat and check your connection and VPN. So open up your phone, go to settings, go to general on here, and then look specifically for like VPN usage on here as well. You can also just search for VPN. But essentially, you need to make sure a VPN is turned off. If it is turned on, disable it. Snapchat will try and block login attempts if your location or IP address looks unusual. From here, go ahead and open up a web browser and go to accounts.snapchat.com. It's then going to ask you to log in with either a phone number, email, or username. If you do not know your password or you are not receiving the code, tap forgot password, try resetting the code first, and if that still does not work, tap need help. From here, you could select that you, of course, can't access your account and then select the option for not being able to verify your email or phone number. If none of the recovery steps work, contact Snapchat support, enter your username, email, phone number, and explain that you cannot receive the verification code. After submitting that form, Snapchat support should review your request and help you recover your account. The process really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.